Hey guys, good morning. No one's saying good morning, but today we are off to town. It's Marine Drive and Churchgate, and we'll be touring all these places. Let's see how it goes. I'm really excited because that's where I grew up, and I'm really happy to go back. It's nostalgic. We're going by cab. I wanted to go by train, but I think it's too hot, and everyone else is really uncomfortable in train to go by train. So I think we'll take a cab, and the other guys are heading off to another location. We are four of us heading to town. So I will take y'all through all my childhood memories.
Princess. I don't know where is Zia, by the way.
So guys, we are so glad there's no traffic today. I guess because we left in the afternoon, and we should reach in about
About an hour?
so 1 hour is pretty fair.
Anywhere in Mumbai.
Yes, anywhere. Usually it usually takes 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So I think one is fair, and we are now heading to Gateway of India. And once we are there, we're going to show Jack around.
Yeah.
He's pretty excited. So guys, this is where I studied. This is Pedder Road, and I studied at Sapphires. I am not sure be able to get a snippet of that, but I'm going to try and shoot the Ambani house, which is Antilla, and let's see if we can spot any of those homes. So this is like a pretty high-end area, and all the rich of Bombay live here. So let me see what I can capture.
They are using the money.
So guys, we cannot see Antilla, but we camel home from here. This is Isha Ambani's house, and yeah, so we'll be head to Nariman Point. We'll skip all the streets of Pedder Road and all of that. I don't think Antilla will be can be spotted from here, but
Antilla is there.
oh yeah,
Antilla is right
Antilla is right here. So guys, these are all new bridges. I haven't seen I haven't been to this area for a good 6 years now. 6-7 years. A lot has changed. What is this?
Antilla.
This is Antilla. This is not Antilla.
What is wrong with you?
Wait, what?
It's not men.
Oh no, that one is.
That one is.
That's the big
Taking down
one.
from longer than me.
Yeah, but
Oh wait.
oh wow.
One second, we
I
can't
moved to Road.
understand
It's like
the
me moving
I mean, we
from
don't understand with the
Central
road. I
London.
can't. Everything changed.
The point.
Wait,
See, Mumbai
what?
का ही नहीं था
Wait.
अंकल आप थोड़ा क्लियर कर दो.
वो टेरेस वाला जो दिख रहा है फ्लैट
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है.
वो वहाँ पे वो बड़ा वाला वहाँ पे.
वो बड़े वाले के बाजू में आगे आएगा अभी देखिए.
So guys, Antilla has not come. Everything has changed. It doesn't appear to be the same anymore.
के बाजू में ना.
Don't start protruding outside.
So guys, that's Antilla, but it's not very
Oh,
clear.
there, see that open.
Oh yeah, now you see
that
it.
is. Arey, we go closer from that side. That's why we think it's just below the road.
Correct.
That's
Sorry,
the what
sorry.
they are.
Jack, you seen that? That's the one.
That's the one. See there. See there behind. Can you
Yeah, I
see
see it.
that massive building
Yes, yeah.
with the glass? Yeah.
That is Antilla. Correct.
ये व्हाइट वाला बिल्डिंग रेमंड हाउस.
ये Raymond House. This is Raymond House. And there's this temple. कौन सा है भैया वो? भुवनेश्वर. हाँ, महालक्ष्मी temple, which will appear shortly. So guys, this bridge helps you skip all that traffic that used to. There was a lot of congestion down near Antilla, so I think we've skipped all of that now. So that's why this journey is like just 1 hour. I was pretty.
It's insane.
This is the underground. Oh wow,
This is amazing, right?
this is amazing. Here for like a lot of many years of my life, and it has completely changed. This is so cool.
So it was already 10:30 in the night. Okay, we needed to get to the airport,
हाँ.
and Charlie got on the wrong train.
हाँ.
Tube. So I was like, "What train?" She didn't understand what I was saying. And I was like, "Okay, come, let's go." And then I
Oh
dropped
my
her to the right station, and I was like, I showed her on the whole city, the map.
Proper.
It's by the way, and after that, Gaylord is थोड़ा आगे.
Bunny's dad was a manager at Gaylord's. We hated the food eventually. 3 na?
हाँ.
Yeah.
No, but I love. I wanted Melissa from Gucci, but she's only giving Gucci.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's giving Gucci.
So guys, we are at the Gateway of India.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. You guys, this is Taj Hotel.
Jack, come here, Nala. Stand here. Jack, love.
Clicked like a ton of pictures. We are now heading to Kulaba Causeway, and we get a drink or two at Leopold. Thank you. We got some curry, and here you go. Yay! So good,
Oh my
guys.
god, this is really good.
We'll head out for some Peru. I love Peru. So once we get that, we'll then move out of this. Got some Perus, guys.
It's not kacha. It's kacha, na?
Guys, we've entered the Nandini Cafe to have some lassi and cool down a bit. It's really hot. So cheers, guys. So guys, I'm wearing the scarf because it's really hot.
Because of this uncle we got sick.
This uncle here, thank you uncle. So you do get like a lot of nice cab uncles. Fashion Street.
This is Colaba. No, this is not Colaba. What is it called?
I did shop here a lot before, and then
Fashion Street. Because you get clothes.
the quality wasn't great anymore, so I stopped. This is we are on our way to Metro Adlab. Cross Maidan is somewhere around here. I think it's the next lane. If we have some time in the evening, we'll come by this side, and that's when I can take you all through that. Yo guys, that's Cross Maidan. This is where I grew up
Yeah.
until I was like 21, so it feels surreal to be here.
किती झाले गं लक्षात घेतलं?
60 जातले सारखे हा याचे.
Perfect.
Guys, we are at St. Xavier. This is St. Xavier's College, and she's a Xavier.
I'm very, very excited.
Wow.